Hello, good afternoon, dear students. So, today I am going to explain you the poem What If. The writer of the poem is Shel Silverstein. So, before to start the poem, I just want to discuss on a child's mind. When we were kids, there were so many things which just came to our mind usually. Like suppose, what will happen if I'll get fail in my test? My father will beat me, my mama will beat me, or what will happen if I am wearing a tear pant in the school and how the people will react. So we are always concerned about the others' reactions. Sometimes we are concerned about our security, our life. So there are so many things which always are there in our mind about ourselves. We are so much predictable, means what is going to be happen. Sometimes negative thoughts, some positive thoughts always arise in our minds. So the poem What If central idea is that a plant's idea inside the child's head, means what is there in the child's head. What is there? What if personification is used with what ifs. अगर ऐसा हो, what if, the personification is there. Personification means the words to which we think of, imagine like the human means we just personify those words. So let's start with the poem. Last night, while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crowded inside my ear and pranced and parted all night long and sang their same old what if songs. So in these lines the poem is saying that last night when he was just sleeping, the same old thoughts of what if, they crowd like a child crawls now on the floor. Similarly, the ideas of what if crawled inside the ear of the child. They pranced and parted. The word pranced means to move with quick and exaggerated steps, means to move very fastly. So these ideas pranced, ideas move fastly in the and just parted in the ears, and they were singing the what if songs. So what were the ideas? What if I am dumb in school? What if they have closed the swimming pool? What if I don't know anything, means my intelligence level goes down. I am dumb. The word dumb means lack of the capability or of the ability to understand the things properly. What if I am dumb in school? We don't know, but one student want to be dumb in school. Every student want to be praised. We all do our efforts. What if they have closed the swimming pool? If you are having an idea to go to the swimming pool and enjoy, and if it is closed, how will you feel? You will feel bad now. What if I get beat up? What if there is poison in my cup? What if somebody beats you or gives you poison in your cup? So here he is thinking about his intelligence and his exciting or playing mood, and here he is thinking about his insecurity about his life. That what will happen if something like this will happen to him? What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? So here the poet says that what will happen? He will start crying. For crying there is a reason. What if I get sick and die? Means he is just having negative thoughts about his own life. What if he dies? What will happen? What if I flunk the test? What if green hair grew on my chest? Here he says, what will happen? What if I fail in my test? If I fail in my exam, what will happen? Obviously, he is feeling fear of his education. He wants to achieve some goals. He want to prove himself academically, and now he's worried about his own physique. What if the green hairs will grow on his chest? He will not. It will not be looking good, na? What if nobody likes me? Now he is just everybody wants to be liked by the others. Now he is very doubtful about the likings of others. Means we all are social animals and we want the others likings. What if a blot of lightning strikes me? Now here he is having fear when at the night. Usually this fear is there in everybody's mind. When the lightning is there in the sky, we feel, oh my god, what will happen? It will if it will strike on me. We feel fear. What if the fish won't bite? What if the wind tears my kite? If you put your finger inside the water and the fish is not biting, what will be? What if? What will happen? And what if the wind tears my kite? If the wind will tear your kite, definitely you will try, or you will go and purchase a new kite. What if they start a war? What if the war starts right now? What if is not there? The corona has started and we are all sitting at the homes. What if my parents get divorced? So here he is very much tensed about the relationship of the parents. What will happen if my parents get divorced, if they get separated? Then his childhood or his life will be affected a lot. What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow straight? So here he is thinking about the bus. What will happen if it will be late? If his teeth will not grow straight, they will not be good. His appearance will not be good. So he is thinking about the two things. What if I tear my pant? What if I am wearing a tear pant? What if the pant is not in a good condition, it's torn? What if I never learn to dance? Now the poet is thinking of dancing and he is saying, what if I am not learning dance, if I am not able to dance? Everything seems and swell, and then the night time, what if strikes again? Everything seems well, and then so here he just says that everything just comes in my mind. Then after that, I think now it's okay. There's no problem. And the night time, what if strikes again, and every time these sort of what ifs strikes is in mind again and again. So this is all the poem.